Delegation mastery, unlock the true business potential. So, do you feel like you're drowning because everything has to be done by you? And it seems like there's 30 hours worth of work that you need to cram into 8 to 10 so you actually have time to spend with your family? Well, I'm here to tell you there's a better way. First of all, you can delegate through systems and software. While you could still be the one that's in charge of everything, you don't have to physically be doing it all the time. A good book to check out is The Company of One, that if you want to be the sole one that's doing it, you just need better systems and processes, and bring in some tech tools as your team to help you along. The second step is when you get to a point that really it is too much for you and you decide that your time is worth more than your money, you can invest in helping somebody help you. This could be a VA or a coach to help you through, a consultant to plan the strategy for you, or even various service providers such as graphic designers or video editors that can just take some things off your plate so you can focus on what's most important and you can have some of that time freedom back. If you're thinking of this, the great book to check out is Who Not How. It's how to incorporate people into your business that can make a difference and move you further instead of you spending all the time figuring out how to do it. Either way, you need a great process, great systems, and a strategy and goal that you're heading for. Just hiring someone if you don't have that is never going to help you. So, how can you get out from the crushing weight of having to do everything and never having enough time? Well, you can either get more organized or you can get more organized and then hire someone. If you would like to know more about this, drop the hashtag delegate in the comments and I can send you some information on how you can streamline, you can get more help, and how you can get organized to have that help you.